Turning your engine, 31V29. It's running good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor without any damage. Same as well like on this side. Everything's good. All windows without water inside. Gearbox in good conditions. And on this side everything nice. Starter no broken, as you can see. Quick on altimeter. Everything's good. And on the top, all connectors and injectors without any damage. Engines looking good. On the bottom, oil sump without any cracks or leaks. And turning your engine, 31V29.